Cool. So, real quick, as always, before we hop into it, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Futures trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Use your own basic risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Today is March 30th. At 7:15 a.m. in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, one more time, none of this is financial advice. Good morning, everybody. A little sick today, but we're still on here. Hopefully we can find a beautiful trade. And yeah, it's all we can ask for. If you guys could, though, start the day with a like. That would be greatly appreciated. Everybody watching on TikTok, make sure to double tap your screen. Everybody watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Let's see, live trade. Boom. Let's get it. How's everybody's weekend? Good morning, Mr. GD. Sup, foo? Huh? No. Let's crush it, fam. Let's see. Go live. My throat's been hurting last couple of days. Still hurts today. I'm a little stuffed up also. So if I sound nasally, that's why. What's up, Luke? Gem4392, D Mill, E Money, Justin, Hopium 51. Good morning. I am actually watching gold today above 46.11 if it can get up there. But that's the only spot I really see. Had a pretty big move in the pre-market. We're a little far away from that pre-market high. I mean, really, today I'd only be interested in longs if we got above that pre-market high. We have no demand, no supply for a while. So, yeah. We'll see. Good morning. Again, if you guys could start the day with a like, it'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody watching on TikTok, double tap that screen. Everybody on the tube, hit that thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. Remember, the more likes we get, the more they push my, or they push it with the algo. So, helps a lot. Sup, Jimmy? Jimmy boy. Why is the tube tweaking? Try this. Can you guys hear me on the tube, or is it messed up? Or is it just not saying how many people we have in here? I don't know. Hopefully you guys can hear me. If you guys are new on TikTok as well, I go live every single morning, live trade for you guys for New York. I'm going to be doing Asia as well, a lot more. But yeah, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button. I've been trading for 8 years. We've caught over 1,000 points on NQ in the last few weeks. Again, all of that live. So if you guys are new, again, make sure to hit that follow button because we be catching some bangers up in here. And I'm sick and I'm still hopping on for you guys. So that's follow worthy. Hearing good. All right, bet. Yeah, it's just not saying how many people are in the tube today for some reason. But we do have 10 minutes until market open. As always, if you guys need accounts, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, Apex, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discounts. Again, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, Apex, discount code Brandon always gets you the best possible discount. What's up, Team Bull? Good morning. How's everybody's weekend? Hopefully good. Bueno, great, solid. I'm sick this weekend, so no bueno. I literally didn't do shit yesterday. I wouldn't doubt it. Every time I travel, I get sick. Every time. But yeah, my throat hurts, my head hurts. But we're still here to catch a banger, that's for sure. And everybody watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. You should know what the tube is. TikTok just doesn't like when I say the whole word. But yeah, I'm live over on my tube. 1,700 videos teach you on how to trade over there. Live streams every single day as well. Almost at 128,000 subscribers as well. So if you guys go onto the tube and type in BrandonTrades, I'll pop right up. BrandonTrades on the tube. Honestly, Jose, if I had to guess, we probably chop. We do a Powell at 10:30, so at least chop until then. And then, wait and see whatever Powell decides to say. But really only interested if we get above pre-market highs, both on ES, NQ, and gold. Don't really see any individual stocks that I'm interested in. But yeah, get above pre-market highs. We can look for continuation on those three things. Yep. And again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Good morning, everybody. Everybody on the tube as well. I don't know why tube is tripping today. It's not saying how many people we got, but we shall see. I hate when I'm all congested. The hell is this? This phone's about to die too. What are you guys watching today? TikTok, tube. What we got on watch? Morning, Zach. Again, everybody just tapping in. Only thing I'm interested today. ES above pre-market highs, NQ above pre-market highs. Gold above pre-market highs as well. Again, if you guys want a full screen view, everybody watching on TikTok, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades. 127,000 subs, 1,700 videos, free live streams over there every single morning as well. You can see my order flow and you can see my whole chart instead of the cropped image that you guys got. But we got 5 minutes until market open. Anybody got questions? Any questions at all? So, Woody Wood. No questions? Anybody? Chilling in Thailand. Hell yeah. How am I incorporating bookmap? Just using the order flow at key levels, really, to just see if there's buyers or sellers present. That's really it. Those keeps running. Shaboinki, how long have you been trading? I'm curious. Guess we could potentially look to see if we hold above this high and then look for continuation. Maybe. It's higher risk. It's definitely above pre-market highs. The white line? I don't have the white line. I have these. I asked you how long you've been trading. No, it's pretty much just gauging how many buyers or sellers are present when we hit that key level. A few years, as in 2, 3, 4. We got 4 minutes until open. Again, everybody on the tube, make sure to hit that like button to be greatly appreciated. A little over 1. All right, I've been trading for 8 years, so we can put that to rest. I have 8 times the experience that you have. What's up, Mazuka? I wouldn't consider this one, no. That's too big of a spike. I have member-only videos, but then it's also mainly to support the channel because, I mean, YouTube doesn't really pay a whole lot, to be honest. So, it's really what it is. You get access to the member-only videos and then supporting the channel, especially the live streams because they're free. Again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Got 130 of you in the TikTok. I don't even know how many people we have in the tube because it's not loading today. Somewhere over 100. I know that. Over 125 potentially. But yeah, again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that like button. Follow if you're new. Everybody watching on the TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm live right now as well. You can see bookmap, my whole chart. And yeah, not a little cropped image. So if you go on over to the tube, my channel is BrandonTrades. 1,700 videos teach you on how to trade for free. Let's get it, buddy. Guys, ready to crush it today, Team Bull? Hopefully. Yes, sir. I do not have demand on the 2-hour Derek. I'll tell you guys one more time on TikTok as well. Make sure to hit that follow button. We got 130 of you in here. I can guarantee not all of you are following. So again, hit that follow button. I live trade every single day on here. Over 1,000 points caught in the last few weeks on this live stream between me and GD. What are you watching, GD? I think we chop, personally. At least till Powell. Yeah, if anything, gold looks the best above 46.11.5. If you guys want something good to watch. But yes, and NQ, I don't know. That spike up in the pre-market, I don't really like. Plus, we have no key levels anywhere. So, patience. Pre-market high. That's it. So I'll see you in Vegas on Wednesday, GD. Bet. Yeah, I gotta go Wednesday now. James told me to. Bet. As big as your mind can comprehend. I don't know why Tube is all messed up today with the views. I don't even know how many people we got in here. You guys still hear me on the Tube? Just want to double check because it's literally showing one person, but I know we have over 100. Potentially even closer to 200. You guys still hear me though? The Tube. Yeah, and everybody watching on the TikTok, make sure you guys are following. I'm gonna start calling people out who aren't following. Yeah, we got over 150 in here. There it is. Now it popped up. It keeps going like in and out. Bits. There's more than 2 of you in here. I can guarantee you that. More than 150. I know that. But yeah, like I said, let's be really patient today. I kind of expect the market to chop before Powell. If we end up getting above pre-market highs, then, you know, obviously I'll watch it. Gold looks really good as well. So yeah. Yes, sir. Make sure to hit that like button. I don't even know how many likes we have. It's not even showing that. And then, yeah, if you guys need accounts, as always, take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, Apex. Make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. So always get you the best possible discounts. Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, take Profit Trader, code Brandon. Oh, for real, Rich. Taking whatever I make this week and I'm full porting it in Vegas. Yeah, I am. Do you know Rips? Yeah, I'm gonna be meeting up with Rips, and apparently he's like a professional poker player too. That guy he's a fucking baller, dude. Nice little drop. I think Tradeify 3.0 comes out sometime this week. I just wish we had like some kind of demand, but we don't. So now it's like, where are we gonna bounce? I don't know. We're at where we bounce the previous high on NQ currently, but we're below the moving averages. Swept those highs. Maybe if we can dump a little more and then pop back up, I'd consider shorting, but we'll see. I like blackjack personally. I've been saying this though. I watched that movie Casino with Robert De Niro. Makes me want to go to Old Vegas, the Golden Nugget, smoke a cigarette, and play craps. Sounds like a vibe. Never smoked a cigarette in my life, but the movie has convinced me to do it. And then make tens of thousands. That's the goal of Vegas. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Make sure to hit that follow. We got like 120 of you on the TikTok. The tube, we have, somebody said there is over 200 people in the tube. I don't know. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed as well. Everybody watching on TikTok. Make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live. 1,700 videos, almost 118,000 or 128. What am I at? 128,000 subscribers. So again, my tube channel is BrandonTrades if you guys want to tap in. Right now, I'm just waiting. We have Powell in an hour, and we have no key levels. So I'm waiting for a really good intraday setup. If the market doesn't offer it, then we don't take a trade, and we simply just wait. Remember, it's okay not to take a trade if there's no setups present. Like if we continue to drop right here, I have no key levels for a bounce, maybe VWAP, right? But other than that, no demand, no fibs, no previous resistance turn support. So we'll see. See what happens if we get down to VWAP. It's a little far. I wouldn't say far, but it's not close. We'll see. I'm not like the best at counting cards, but I have like an idea. No, the only demand that we have is... I don't even think we have one, actually. It tried to plot one here, but I got rid of it. But on the 2 hour, no. It's not a big enough move. Too long of an upper wick. It's going down. I have no, like, I don't have a thought about the market right now. It's just going down. If it goes to a key level and it bounces, then, that's different. But right now it's just going down. I don't know what Powell's speaking about. South Colorado Cowboy. I'll make it easy. 90% of the candles that you look at in the market are useless until we trade to a key level. Yeah. Let's see. Well, it's oil. I mean, oil's up. Exxon. Damn, dude. Why didn't you take it? Today or Friday? It looks bullish. Rip. Let's look at CL. Maybe a break and retest of 103.40 on oil, I'd consider. Just go over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades. Again, I can't say the whole word on TikTok. They don't like it. But tube, you should know tube. Just type in BrandonTrades. I got a bunch of videos. It'll break it all down. What is this? 23348. I guess let's watch VWAP, everybody. That's like the only area I see the market potentially bouncing. What you got, GD? Let's go. We are going down off a decreasing volume. So again, I would like to see us hit this VWAP, and then we can see what happens from there. Maybe it bounces. If it breaks VWAP, then I have no fucking clue. So we'll see. But again, make sure you guys hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. I guarantee not all 150 of you are following. Sup, Colorado Cowboy? They better not bounce this early. Better not bounce it early. No, it's not a misprint. It's a legitimate candle. But again, watch VWAP, ES, and NQ, everybody. What are you guys thinking on the TikTok and the tube? What are you guys watching? Anything good? Besides me? Come on, don't bounce early. They are definitely buying it up off of these lows. Hopefully we can just take it out and go lower though. Hit the VWAP. Got 160 of you on the TikTok today. You're an Exxon fire. I was really hoping gold would take out that 46.11 because, I mean, gold actually looked really good today, but nope. Nope. You can't do that on TikTok. No. On ES or NQ? Not really, no. That's why you gotta have multiple firms. You can still trade gold on TPT. Like I said, I do kind of expect the market to be boring or slow or choppy before Papa Powell. So we'll see. We shall see. Let's at least get 125 likes on the tube today, everybody. We got 200 people in the stream. I think you guys can hit 125. Find that thumbs up, click it. Again, we live trade on here every single day for free. You guys hear me from start to finish. I answer your questions, all that good shit. All I ask from you guys, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, follow if you're watching on TikTok. And then again, if you use props, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discounts. Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, and Apex. We're getting close to this VWAP. See what happens here, everybody. We're getting close to VWAP, so see if buyers come in. Not really a whole lot of buyers down here. Everybody on TikTok too, you guys should be double tapping that screen. Just take your finger and tap it. To at least get like 2,000 of that. Yeah, the more likes, the more it helps with the algo. All right, we're touching the VWAPs here. Yeah. I mean, if you took it, your stop would just be right below VWAP, but it's not my favorite. We're not seeing any buyers down here. It's not to say that it won't bounce, but the odds aren't there, I should say. NQ is still holding it. Yes, like close right on it. Still holding it on NQ. Yeah, I mean, if we bounced up, spying QQQ into like VWAPs there, I'd consider shorts. We could see like some kind of relief bounce off of this NQ VWAP. Again, there's just not buyers, so the odds just aren't there for me. Again, that's not saying that it won't, because it absolutely could. But as far as odds, I prefer something higher probability. Using an order flow platform. Again, if you head on over to my tube, again, you should know what the tube is, but I can't say the tube, the whole word. I have my order flow pulled up. So BrandonTrades on the tube. TikTok's popping today. But yeah, I mean, ideal scenario, we bounce right here and we at least pop up into like the moving averages and VWAP on SPY and QQQ, and we can look for shorts. That's what I would prefer. You just do normal VWAP and you take off the upper and lower bands and then take off the band fill and only keep normal VWAP. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. I can guarantee all 175 of you watching on the TikTok right now are not following. Everybody in the tube, make sure to subscribe as well. Good shit, Marine. Is that how you say it? We'll just say Lingo 3509. Each platform is going to show levels differently, just given how the data is what's the word? I guess like projected, right? So like supply and demand, most of the time it's going to line up, but a lot of the time as well, you're not going to see the same ones depending on the platform you're using. So that's why I always say if you're going to plot my supply and demand levels, or, you know, if you have my indicator, ideally on Thinkorswim for supply and demand. Dude, I literally don't have any bounces today either. None. Should we just short and walk away till Powell? I like that idea. I have a TPT eval that I need to full port. I think it expires this week. The only issue with the orb atom, the 30-minute, is our range is massive. And even like if we stop right here and then we broke it, we already made a massive move down with no pullback. So then the 30-minute orb is, you know, loses its significance at that point. It's better when we have a tighter range. I don't trade fair value gaps. I'm a straight man. Good shit, movie clips. Maybe previous day low. I don't know. I literally have no key levels at all. No key levels. Watch, we're gonna sell off till Powell and then watch, he's gonna buy it all up. Thank you for the rose. Whatever a rose does. Thank you. I wouldn't consider that one, Raul. Basing candle's too big, and then the aggressive move away isn't that big. So. I feel like what will happen, GD, is we sell it off, and we're either going to chop now, or we're going to keep selling off, and then we get Powell, and then we rock it.
Get this big move, snap it, skip it with this, maybe chop the rest of it.
What are heart puffs, and what are hats and a mustache? What are these? Isn't there a way to put the hat and mustache on me? Come on, guys. Everybody should have known to short that. Unbelievable. Why didn't you guys short? Everyone should have known that the market was going to go down. What is that? 300 points? Everybody should have known that. It's like, it already put it on? Did you take a screenshot? I think I did adjust it, yeah. That's the one thing that's annoying too. I constantly gotta adjust the screen. Send another hat and a mustache. I want to see it go on. Somebody. There. Oh yeah, fire. It stays on for like 2 seconds though. I didn't even get to take a picture. What? No, nobody cares about him. Just Papa Powell. Very, very boring so far, everybody. Hopefully we can bounce up now. Actually kind of curious if we set like 30-minute supplies. 30 or 45. Yep. Yep. We now have 30-minute supply. If we can pop back up. All right, so there's 30-minute supply on NQ. Same exact zone for the 45. If your zone on the 1 hour. But now my chart just looks like a disaster. But I mean, it's a good zone. I'll keep my chart on the 1 hour so I can see if we pop back up. But we do have a 30 and a 45-minute zone if we pop up on ES and NQ. We're rocking today in the live streams, everybody. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody on the tube, make sure you guys are subscribed. Everyone on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of the cropped image that you guys have over here, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I have 1,700 videos to teach you guys on how to trade. I live trade over there every single morning as well with a full screen. So you can see my entire Thinkorswim screen as well as my order flow. And then 128,000 subs. So again, the tube channel is BrandonTrades if you guys want to tap in. What's up, John? Team Bull, we have new 30 and 45-minute supply zones and potentially even an hour. I just don't want to mark the hour yet because too many lines on the chart. But start popping back up. We have some good spots that we can watch. Now we just need Daddy Powell, and then we're good. What up? I still don't know how many people are in the tube today. Somewhere over 200, I know that. You want me to act surprised like I just blew an account to see if it helps with the algo? Oh my god, everybody, I just blew all 30 of my accounts. Oh my god. I lost them all. I full ported. Okay. Does anybody have questions while we're chilling, though? Any trading questions? Any questions at all? Yeah, but I prioritize supply and demand over fibs. But, you know, potentially you could take pivot high, pivot low, and watch. I would just much more prefer supply in this scenario. I guess it also depends. Those retracements might line up with VWAP in the moving averages on SPY and QQQ, which might... Yeah, they do. Yeah, let's watch for a potential retracement to the 50 or 61.8. It looks cleaner on SPY and QQQ. So let's see if it pops up. You guys take any trades, Team Bull? Yeah. I leave Wednesday after trading, and then it's only Thursday because markets closed on Friday. I'm a live stream. Yeah, bro, I don't think we're getting this pullback. I would love it if we went up into VWAP on SPY and QQQ for shorts. But for the Zoom on Thursday, I'm going to be live trading in the Golden Nugget, camera on. I'm going to be playing blackjack. And we're going to trade. Really hoping we don't take out these lows and then we bounce back up. Just buyers or sellers whenever we go to the key level. That's really it. You know, gauge if that's like with VWAP, right? When we went down to VWAP, I said there's no buyers. It's the same thing when we trade to any key level, right? We want to look for, you know, some type of buyer or seller, large buyers or sellers at the key level to let us know that it's actually valid, right? And if we don't get that, then we don't take the trade. That's all order flow is used for. Plus, it helps you understand like where to trim into, because obviously you want to trim going into liquidity, right? But yeah, as far as key levels, just buyers and sellers. That's it. Damn, my throat is hurting. Where's Lake Charles? Never heard. Oh, fire. I don't know, GD. Maybe we get it. Got Powell in 23 minutes.
These candles, I think, are real. It's gonna say to you say, say a bunch of stuff. No evidence of inflation shock. Real inflation expectations not yet affected by higher fuel prices.
Again, let's wait for the retracements. That's all we can do. Definitely don't want to short it down here, I'll tell you that. I think the shorts do look really good if we can get this pop up. Almost got 300 of you on the TikTok today. It's fire. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. I live trade on here, New York market open every single morning. Been trading for 8 years. Over the last few weeks, we've called over 1,000 points on NQ. Call everything from start to finish. So yeah, make sure you guys tap in, follow, join every single morning. And obviously, if I see something today, I'll take it. If not, you know, we move on and we wait till tomorrow. Yeah, hit that follow button. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded, anybody, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Traderify, Apex. Make sure you use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Traderify. Discount code Brandon in all caps. No trades, Mo.
See if we're hold this area.
We are at the 8 EMA on SPY and QQQ. I would just prefer a deeper retracement, but it absolutely could reject. No, I don't trade based off of swept lows or swept highs. I like my key levels. 20 more minutes till Powell. Actually, I'm going to stick around longer today, too. I did say that I'm going to try to stick around until 10 o'clock my time. So, what is that? 12 o'clock EST. Pretty much all my videos, Brett. Just go through and start watching all of them, I would say. See if we can get above this 8 EMA. I'm spying QQQ. There, you can't get in on Trade-of-8. You have to get like Bookmap. Like you have to get an actual order flow tool. Get Bookmap though. I have videos on how to use Bookmap. Just make sure you use my link. But yeah, I got tons. Let's see. We are going to look for a reject on NQ at about 23415 and then 23443. So that's on NQ as far as ES. We're gonna watch 6442.5 and then 6450, give or take. Again, everybody, we're watching the retracements for potential shorts. Hopefully we can get it. Come on. Give me my level. I'd say it's 50-50, to be honest. Sometimes bullish, sometimes bearish. Come on, don't reject early. If they do not go get the retracements, I'm going to be a very, very mad guy. Come on. Back up here. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Hit that follow button. Everybody on the tube, subscribe. I don't even know how many people we got in the tube today. But subscribe, follow, all that good shit. You're going to live trade every single day. Everybody watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view, make sure to head on over to my tube channel. You should know what the tube is. I just can't say the whole word. But my tube channel, BrandonTrades. 1,700 videos, almost 128,000 subs. I live trade over there with a full screen view of my order flow as well as my chart. Plus, you can still see my face. So, yeah, make sure to tap into the tube channel, BrandonTrades. What? I full ported. Oh. Patiently waiting. I would not be surprised if we go hit the monthly 21 EMA. I made a video about it yesterday. Monthly 21 EMA seems like a pretty obvious spot that the market wants to target. Come on, go to our retracement. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we go to the monthly 21. Just zoom out. Go to the monthly time frame, put on the 21 EMA, and look. It's pretty close. Oh, I wouldn't say close, but like I said, it's pretty obvious. So expect SPY and QQQ to drop like another 15, 20 bucks, and then yeah. Then I expect the market to recover from there. Any other trading questions you guys got while we're just sitting here waiting for Powell? We got 10 minutes till Powell, and I don't expect a whole lot to happen. So, what you guys got? Am I young, black, and rich? Yes, absolutely. Am I going long if we hit the 30-minute orb? No. It's not a reason to go long. I have the 8 EMA and VWAP, but typically I have the 21 EMA up as well. I just have it on my other chart, but usually I use the 821 and VWAP. When and why did you stop marking supply and demand zones, SPY, QQQ? ES and NQ always show the most accurate zones. So, I mean, you can plot them on SPY and QQQ, you're just not going to see them a lot of the time. And like I said, they're more accurate on ES or NQ. Purple and brown lines. My purple and brown lines. What brown lines? What purple lines? Well, the purple is ADMA, but what brown? Orange? VWAP? They're just the moving average of VWAP. Futures and options. You know, if I trade an individual stock, then, you know, I'll trade options, but primarily ES and Q. That's just typically, you know, where I make the most money. That's where I'm the most accurate. So that's why I typically stick to futures. But, you know, if Apple or AMD, NVIDIA has it set up, then, you know, I'll watch it. Team Bull, any questions? While we're sitting here doing absolutely nothing. What does full port mean? Imagine you go to Vegas, you get a hand on blackjack, but before you get the hand, you put all your chips in. That's what full porting is. All in. My last revenge trade, I don't even think I could tell you, to be honest. What happens when you revenge trade, Adam? You become Adam. Yep. And you blow your accounts. So that's why I don't revenge trade, because obviously, you know, I've been there, done that. Anybody else got questions on the tube or TikTok while we're sitting here? Again, we got Powell in 6 minutes. Bro, why's TikTok make me look like I got a shiny ass forehead? The hell? I think about 30 hours. You're Randall. Yup. Like I said, if we can go up into these retracements, I think it's really good short opportunity. It's just, can we get up there? Huh. We are kind of bear flagging though. Right now. I don't really trade patterns, but We are bear flagging. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button and subscribe. Best prop firm out there, I mean, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, Apex. Those are the four that I like. If you were asking for my favorite, it would be Take Profit Trader. Lucid, a good prop firm. Yep, Lucid is good. Again, make sure you use discount code Brandon if you decide to get accounts. We got this bear flag going into Powell speaking, so I'm curious to see if we break it. But yeah, use code Brandon. Take Profit, Tradeify, Lucid, Apex. Code Brandon. Huh. I need caffeine. I didn't get a white monster this morning. Yes, sir, Adam. 3 minutes till Powell. I don't even know what he's talking about either. Trying to break below this bear flag. Why are you speaking about Papa Powell like that? What did he do to you? I would consider this 30-minute orb now because we kind of just chilled here for a little bit instead of just breaking after this move down. So this is definitely a setup we could potentially watch. Oh, we've all been there, Adam. All right, 10 seconds. GD, you here? Hell yeah. All right, it's Powell time. That's all he's doing is taking questions. I mean, I guess depending on the question. How'd they go, OBJ? Yeah, we could reject here again. It's just not my favorite. That's it. Just patiently waiting for the good trades. We've caught over 1,000 points in here in the last few weeks by simply just staying patient, taking good trades. I would really like these 30-minute orbs, though, if we can get it. If it goes into my reject zones, 100% I'll be looking for a reject if we get proper confirmation. But obviously, if we don't, then we don't take the trade. So, few scenarios, we either pop up into our retracements and we can look to short it there. Get above the retracements and we go to supply, we can look for a reject there. Or if we break below this 30-minute orb, break and retest, I'll look for a short there.
These candles are just, they're on.
Main 6 sucks. This might be the move down here. ES still hasn't broke that bear flag, though. It's trying. See what our CBD's doing. Again, follow if you guys are new. Everybody watching on the TikTok, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody on the tube, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. I live trade every single day for New York market open, so all you guys gotta do is join. I'll be doing more Asia as well. Probably starting next week because I do have a really busy week with a lot of shit I gotta get done. But yeah, make sure you guys follow. Again, I live trade every single day, over 1,000 points caught in the last few weeks. And then, yeah, all you gotta do is join. All you gotta do is join. And then also, if you guys Trade with prop firms, Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader. Make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps to always get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Tradeify. Use code Brandon. Yeah, it's looking like it. See if we can break and retest this 30-minute orb. Or do we just sweep the low? Just let me know if he says anything important. I just trade where I know I make the most amount of money and the most accurate setups. That's really it. Like earlier, the orb wouldn't have been present if we just, broke below it on this candle and then tried to short it because we already moved, a fuck ton of points. But after sitting here and chopping for a while, now it's higher probability. So now it's, a valid setup. Nah, Marie, it's feelings and white monster. That's what makes us profitable. What time am I showing? Right now. Whatever time it is for you right now, that's what's being shown. Or are you asking about the time frame? Because time frame would be different. Time frame is 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. I know, I kind of want to go get one. Boring ass day. No trades yet. I would really like to see us take out this 30-minute orb low to short. That's ideal. Nope, no trades today. I'm very patient, everybody. I don't feel the need to trade every day. I just wait for my setups to be present. If it is, I get confirmation. I take it, use basic risk management. Final trade today. Markets open tomorrow. Final trade tomorrow. Markets open the next day. Next week, next month, next year. In 10 years, in 50 years, the market will still be here. I have NQ pulled up. Again, I want to see if we can break this 30-minute orb low. That would be ideal. Where's the what? Not done. I'm a busy man. See if we hold below the 30-minute orb now. Come on.
Not really.
Come on, hold below for us. Got 2 more minutes. Are you gonna take these shorts with me, GD? Bet.
Take it.
Bet. Looks like we're gonna hold below it.
Absolutely.
All right, got the 5-minute candle close. Let's look for the retest. Come on, pop a little higher first. Bruh. Okay, let's see what happens in this area, everyone. See if we can reject it and come back down. If we do, then I'll take it. See if we can lose it here or not. Bro, what is this shit? Maybe the 30-minute orb on ES. If we break below 64.13. Our risk is just going to be too big. Even if it failed in on this candle, we would have to have a risk all the way up here. Watch, it's going to do it too. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. I live trade New York market open every single morning. All right, what is Daddy Powell saying? It's got to be something good. It's got to be good, whatever he's saying. Unless Trump tweeted. His oil's going down too. He's talking about inflation. What do you mean he's talking about nothing? Oh, I'm getting tired. Need caffeine. I'm fiending. Did you guys take any trades today? TikTok, Tube? Any trades? It's a 5-minute. It's a 5-minute chart. They're in shorts. I'd say it has to break that 30-minute orb, to be honest. I don't trade the breakout. I only do the retest. So whenever we retest, I get confirmation. Then on the opposite side of that. No, I still think the market wants to go lower. I just wish it would have not broken above the orb like it did. I mean, you shorted market open. Good shit. Now my voice is going out. Debating if I should go get my monster. I only care about shorts. I don't care about longs today. I like longs. God damn it. I liked about long. There we go. I liked longs in the morning, but you know, we sold off. So everything looks super bearish right now. We have no demand, none of that. So I only care about shorts right now. The confirmation candle, always. All right. I will be right back. I'm gonna go get monster, and I'm gonna pee. So I really gotta pee. So we're gonna do our ghetto camera blocker here. Kinda. Hold on. Let's do this. Fix this a little bit. Got our ghetto camera blocker on TikTok. That's not working today for some reason. There we go. And then YouTube, I'll be right back. So don't leave. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. All right, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I just plugged my phone in. And we're good to go. Thank you for becoming a channel member. I appreciate it. Phone was about to die. That shit was on 5%. Okay. Boom. And boom. We back. We pumping now. I guess if we get up to 65 or 64.56 on ES, I would consider shorts. That's our supply zone. Is GD still here, or did he leave? What's up, buddy? I went to get a monster. I was getting tired.
Close these candles strong. Back above these back above the market.
See if we can push up into this level, everybody. $64.56 to $64.64. On the S&P. And again, if you're new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Double tap the screen. Helps a lot with the algo. Everybody watching on the tube, make sure to subscribe. And then everyone watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view, see my entire chart, see my order flow, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. You should know what the tube is. But yeah, 1,700 videos teach you guys on how to trade, 128,000 subs, all that good stuff. So again, I'm live every single morning for New York, both on TikTok as well as the tube. So make sure you guys tap in. But again, go subscribe to the tube, BrandonTrades. If you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Again, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, Apex, use code Brandon in all caps. Crude oil doesn't look too bad. Right now, I have the S&P futures pulled up, watching this supply zone if we get up there. Come on. Don't reject yet. Get up there. Come on. We're almost there. Again, everybody, I'm watching for a reject. 64.56 to 64.64. Come on. 6 more points. Come on, just one big push into the level. That's all I want. All right. We're at the level. You go ahead and try some right here. Try some shorts on MES. See if we get this move down. Big move up into supply. We hit it. We reject it right away. So, let's see if we can get this. Yeah, I'm getting ready to trim. Okay, go ahead and take a trim right here, everybody. Beautiful. Oh, wait, shit. There we go. I accidentally fucked up. But I accidentally sold more instead of covered, but I trimmed. See if we can go down into this impulse right here. About an 8-point trade from our entry. So pretty solid. Literally not a single tick of drawdown. See if we can get more out of this. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and trim some more right here, everybody. Going into this impulse move. Again, let's keep our stop at break even. That's a 10-point short. with literally not a single tick of drawdown. You guys make some money on that trade? 12 points. 12 points on this. We're going to keep our stop in profits. Anybody make money on that? Yes or no? Give me a W in the chat if you made money. Only talked about fucking 64.56 for 30 minutes now. Yeah, we're right at that 80 MA and that previous spike up candle. I want to see if we can lose it. If we can lose it, then obviously, I'm going to hold this for a larger trade. But if we bounce it, then I'm going to close it. This is a 15-point trade, everybody, on ES. Phenomenal. Right at this moving average and the center point of this impulse. So this is what we got to lose. Patience pays. That's for sure.
I feel like this has been every week, so this can make me more
You guys know the drill too. If you guys want some Apex accounts and you made money, go post and hashtag post your gains in Team Bull. I'll pick some people to win some Apex accounts. Let's see if we can lose this 35. There we go. Come on. Again, stops are in profits, everybody. I had a feeling we would try to bounce off this 35. I just want to see if we can lose it, but we already took some really good trims on this move down, and we're up 14 points from our entry. So see if we can lose this 80 MA and make our way down towards 30. It's ideally where I would like to, sell this 30 to 28. We can delete this now. That was in the middle of the impulse. Come on, lose this 35. Again, if you guys got them, post and hashtag post your gains at me and GD. Some of you guys are going to win some Apex accounts today. Kind of struggling to break this 35. Come on. It's definitely a buyer absorbing at this 35. Take them out, though. We're going down to 30. There we go. Right back up.
You still have to pass the evaluation.
There we go. Come on. Stay below 35 for us. Our next set of buyers are down here at this 32 to 30. There we go. Here's 30. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and take it right here, everybody. I'm all out. It could continue to push, but, or sorry, it could continue to drop, but I'm going to take 20 points on that trade. That was a fire trade. Literally not a single tick of drawdown on that. Oh, you motherfucker. You wanted to wait till I closed it. Then you wanted to drop down to that 30 and crack it. It's all right. This area right here was my final price area, this VWAP level. But beautiful, beautiful trade. It took a lot of patience, but we caught it. I better see more hashtag poster gains than that. We have 10 right now. 10. I better see more. I know. You guys are missing out. Posting hashtag poster gains. Fire. Well, it might actually end up going a low day, but again, I will gladly take that for today. Gladly. How much you guys make? Type it in the chat. How much you guys make if you're not posting in hashtag poster gains or you're not in Team Bull? How much you guys make? What's the low day right here? 64.13. Peace, Brody. I'm gonna stick around, everybody. I'm gonna stick around for like another 30. So, who can tell me why I took that trade? Supply, correct. 30-minute supply, I believe, was where it stemmed from. Let me see. Yep. So, zoom out to a 30-minute time frame. Right? As soon as market open, big old dump to the downside. Look, one candle to the left, small green candle, mark the lower wick, mark the open. We also had our 45-minute here, which I think was the open of the 45. I think the bottom was the same. Let me see. Yeah. So we had a 45-minute supply and a 30-minute supply, both at the same exact spot, right? There was potential that it could have traded higher into this range. But the reason why I took it, first off, we weren't risking a lot on this trade. What the fuck are you doing? Come on. We weren't risking a lot because as soon as we tapped 64.56, I don't even know if we had sellers there. Let's see. 64.56. Yep. Look at the sellers there, right? So it was a very quick spike, filled all the sell orders, and then immediately right back down. Okay. What I saw was just, we popped into it and then right away, right back down. That's what I liked about it. So we ended up going short. We were risking about 6 points on this, and we were able to capture 20 to 25 points, depending on, when you sold out. 20, or actually like 20 to 28 points around there, depending on when you sold. But, that's why I preach every single day. A+ setups only. We stay patient and we wait for opportunity, and then we take, good trades. That's really it. Again, the candle that confirms my trade, my stop is on the opposite side of that confirmation candle. So when we got in, this was our confirmation candle. Stop was right above 64.56. That's also, why it's important to trade at key levels, because key levels, your stop is always very wellly defined, It was a very straightforward trade. Like, it couldn't have gotten any more clear, any more picture perfect for that. It's a beautiful way to start your Monday too. Can't really see those arrows. Hold on. Phenomenal. What's your question? I'm gonna pick some of you guys here in a couple minutes. All right. Let's see. It's like an hour after market actually closes, so you'll get it probably when Asia opens today. Is when you'll get it. Of course, like I said, all you guys literally got to do is follow, subscribe, and join. I just called that trade. I've been talking about that level, talking to everybody here on TikTok and YouTube. I've been talking about this 64.56 since we formed it in the morning, right? Saying that I will look for a rejection if we get up there. I was saying I was watching the reject before we got there. And then when we actually got there and we saw the reaction, you guys heard me say, I'm taking the trade, right? I'm sure you can hear my orders getting filled too, because my speakers are loud as shit, right? So you heard all of my orders get filled as well, and then all of my trims. So that's why I say, literally follow, subscribe everybody on the tube, and join every single morning. That's all you got to do. And again, if you ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. So again, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, Apex, make sure to use code Brandon in all caps and just join. That's it. Obviously, the goal of these live streams, get you guys funded and help you guys get payouts. MD is Maryland. TPT, maybe? Is what you mean? Take profit trader. All right, let's pick some winners from Team Bull. Anybody else want to post your gains before I post it up? Or is everybody good? Everybody's good? Nobody else want to say wait? I got a couple more people typing, so hold on. 1. Let these people get their gains posted. Then we're going to pick. Yeah, post it in hashtag post your gains in Team Bull with a picture. That's how you're eligible. We have 3 people typing, so once these 3 people post it up. Also, everybody in here, or say congratulations to Caesar. He got an $8,000 payout from Apex. I think he's in the Zoom. Tell Big Papa Caesar, congrats. Good shit. All right, let's pick the winners. My eyes are closed. Just scroll up and down. Okay, the first one is, who is this? I think it's Beckham, something like that. Just says B. I just messaged you. Accept you as a friend. There we go. All right, B ... I see you in here all the time. It's like Beck something. But there's one. You're messaging me back already. Perfect. All right, so there's one. Eyes are closed. All right, number 2 is Peanut, who's also playing Borderlands 4. I was playing that yesterday. That's fire. All right, Peanut. Close our eyes again. N something. It's N with a bunny. All right, N with a bunny. Check your DMs. Looks like you've won before, but you never messaged me back, so I gave it to somebody else. And let's see, we got 2 more. Unless you don't message back, then we'll pick more. Carlos. That's 4 so far. Everybody's typed back. I still got 5 more after this. We're going to save it for tomorrow. And then Carla. Boom. All right, so all 5 of you have 5 minutes to respond. Or actually 4 of you. I think all of you messaged back already. No. Carlos, you need to message back, and then Carla, you need to message back. On Discord. And don't worry, we got 5 accounts for tomorrow too. You guys know the drill. Join, trade with me. If we hit banger trades, post hashtag post your gains, add me in GD, and that's how you win accounts. That's it. That's all you got to do. Bet. Everybody message back. So I'll give you guys your once my one phone is off the charger. I have the codes on there, so I'll send it to you guys here in a little bit. But I got all of you messaged me. Of course. I have a ton on my YouTube. Ton of them. Stephen Hawking just joined one of my lives. Nice. Stephen Hawking is back. Again, if you guys are new, hit that follow button. If you guys are just tapping in, we just caught a 20-point short on the S&P futures. So you guys missed out by not being here. So all you guys got to do, join every single morning. I go live 15 minutes before market open. And yeah, just join. Trade with me. Follow. Right? Because I call all my trades start to finish. And as always, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, Tradeify. Yeah, that's it. Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, Lucid. Make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, Apex, code Brandon, all caps. Any other questions, Team Bull? The reject zone came from a 30-minute supply. So if you go to your 30-minute time frame, big move down, look one candle to the left, small green candle in this scenario, mark the lower wick, mark the open, and then we wait for price to trade back up into it. With using Bookmap, all I am doing is looking for orders. So we head up into a supply zone, I want to see sellers. If we go down into a demand, I want to see buyers. I want to try to do Asia like 3 to 4 times a week. Obviously, like this week, I'm super busy, and then I'm also still sick. So probably starting next week, I'll do Asia. And then I go to Vegas on Wednesday, so won't really be here. Good shit, low. I mean, equally, there has to be a key level there. It's not like I'm just buying or selling when we go into areas of liquidity. There always has to be a key level. Because, you know, most of the time, it's not going to work if you do it like that. There has to be a key level. To get Bookmap, you got to buy it. But I have a link. So if you want to sign up for Bookmap, just DM me on Insta. I don't even know if I can say the whole word on here, but on Insta, BrandonTrades. Follow me over there too. I'm very active on my IG. Shit, if you want to post it on Instagram too, that'd be dope. I'll repost it. Yeah, just BrandonTrades, the one that's verified. Don't message any others if they're not verified. And then I'll tell you what subscriptions to get as well. But Bookmap is absolutely a game changer. Sorry, my voice is going out now. Might just honestly chop now. For sure, low. Team Bull, any other questions before I dip on out of here? If you guys want to join the Discord too, where there's no delay and I do my Zoom with just, you know, full screen share, all that good shit, make sure you join the Discord. I'm gonna drop the link in the comments on Tube. If you guys want to come tap in, no delay, because there is a slight delay here on TikTok as well as Tube. So anybody watching on TikTok, if you want to join the Discord, the link's in my bio. What is that? Why is there like Chinese letters on the tube today? It's weird. Dude, we are cranking on the TikTok today. Kind of want to stick around now that we got a lot of people. Again, make sure you guys are following if you're new. If you guys are just tapping in, we just caught a 20-point short on the S&P futures from this level right here. Just caught that short. Actually, even if you guys have my indicator, should have plotted that level as well. Yep. Even if you have my indicator, it plotted the level as well. Where's that at? So we'll take it off. There we go. Bet. All right, TikTok and Tube. I'm going to stay on here for a little longer, but you're going to hear me say bye to everybody on Zoom because it seems like everybody on Zoom is leaving. All right, Team Bull. Well, let's crush it again tomorrow. Everybody have an amazing day. Hopefully you guys made some money. If you haven't already, hashtag post your gains. To the ones that won the accounts, I'll get back to you guys here in a little bit with your codes. Other than that, let's crush it again tomorrow, Team Bull. Yes, sir. Talk to you guys then, and peace out. All right, like I said, TikTok and Tube, I'm going to stay on here a little longer because TikTok is cranking right now. So, yeah, I live trade every single day. But, again, with TikTok and Tube, there is a delay, which is why I sent the Discord. With the Discord, there is no delay. So if you guys want to join, just have access to Zoom, see everybody else that I trade with, hear GD through like your actual speakers instead of, through my mic, the Zoom is the place to be. Follow if you guys are new. Any questions though while we're chilling? Hell yeah. Student got a $6,000 payout from Apex. So fire. Any questions? Should you buy right now? No, we're not near any key levels. The best setup all day was the supply reject, 100%. $6,000 payout with Apex Trader. On what time frame do you execute trades? Typically the 5 or 2 minute is what I watch to actually execute, but everything comes from a higher time frame that I trade. So it's literally like plotting on the higher time frames and then breaking it down to a lower time frame and executing. That's really it. What other questions we got? Keep them coming. What other questions we got? Mm-mm. 2-bar is not my system. I trade supply and demand, key levels, and order flow. That's it. Order flow and key levels. One beautiful trade for the day. Again, if you guys are not following, make sure to follow. Make sure to check out my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I have 1,700 videos. I live trade over there every single morning as well. You get a full screen view of everything that I am watching instead of the little cropped image that we have here on TikTok. But yeah, you can see my order flow, my whole chart on Thinkorswim. Obviously, you still see my face. And yeah, I mean, overall, the tube is a vibe over there. So again, if you guys haven't, go check out the tube, BrandonTrades. Tons of free education over there. But I want to call it, but I don't. We're really cranking on the live stream today. Got a lot of people tapping in today. It is spring break too. Maybe that's why. How many of you are on spring break? Is that why we have a lot of people? Honestly, Dirk, I've hardly took any swing trades this year. Hardly. It's been terrible. There's just no setups. It's really hard to swing trade for me specifically because I only swing trade to the upside when the overall market is pulling back. But bet I'm actually gonna call it. Go drink my protein shake. Go hit back and buys, and I got a busy ass day. So, as always, again, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you're following because I will be live again tomorrow. We just hit a 20-point trade on the S&P futures for a short. If you guys were not here, we went short right up here. Caught this nice move down, so 20 to 28 points depending on when you exited. But yeah, beautiful trade. I would get Global Plus, piggy bank, and also before you get it, make sure you use my link with Bookmap. Here's my link with Bookmap. Use that. But yeah, I'm gonna call it again. Follow if you guys need any prop accounts. Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, Apex. Make sure to use discount code Brandon. Again, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Lucid, Tradeify. Use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Other than that, everybody have an amazing rest of your Monday, and I will talk to everybody bright and early tomorrow morning, 15 to 20 minutes before market open. Peace out, fam.